Hey, I'm Security Sam, and I've been created by the talented folks at SecuSolutions to provide you with important information about cybersecurity. We've put together an animated series called Security in 60 Seconds, where we will walk you quickly through items you should know to keep yourself safe. You may also see me in other educational productions, like SecuSolutions' flagship course, Information Security Awareness 101, a program that covers essential security topics focused on the corporate environment. I'm the star of SecuSolutions programs, but you should always be on the lookout for my nemesis, Hacker Hank. He pops in every now and then, attempting to thwart my attempts at keeping you informed. Alright, enough about me, let me tell you about this series. Cybersecurity is complex and often confusing, but SecuSolutions believes that the right to knowledge and protection is for everyone. So, Security in 60 Seconds takes these complex terms and makes them easy to understand. Throughout our 21 years in the industry, we've accumulated tons of knowledge, and we're going to share it with you in quick, free, easy to understand clips. We'll be bringing you these clips every 2 weeks, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any information that could help reduce your cyber risks. Oh, did you know, we even take requests. If there is a topic you would like covered in 60 seconds, drop a note in the comments, or send us an email, and we'll do our best to deliver. Lastly, remember, security is for everyone, and we mean it. If you find these videos helpful, please share them with friends and family. Everyone has the right to information that can protect them. Okay. We hope you like Security in 60 Seconds. Bye for now.